G'day legends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you about this Samsung SSD T7 hard drive, why I'm using it now and how to format it if you first get one. It's very important to get it right when you format it so you set up, especially for a Mac, and that's what I'm using today, but also need to format it if you're using Windows. So for most of my time I've been using these LaCie hard drives, which have been very good for my stills photography. They're quite fast, they're robust, and they're reliable. I haven't had any of these fail, and I've got, I don't know, 20, 25 of these things. This one is an SSD, and the reason why I'm going to be how I'm going to be working off this is quite interesting. So that's what we're going to discuss in this video. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Tom Woods, and I've been a full-time professional photographer since 2004, and since 2019 I have spent countless hours teaching hundreds of students the art of photography and how to get better, how to up level. So if you're interested in any of that for yourself, well, I'll leave some links in the description below so you can explore further. Now let's get back to this SSD, and what I'm going to do today is going to just give you a screen share on how I formatted it. It's quite basic, but you have got to get it right. Before I do that, I just want to talk about these two hard drive options. This one I've used for a long time. I've used them for my stills photography. I'm primarily a stills photographer, and this one has done the job for me. I use Lightroom, I use Photoshop, I import my photos. I've got reasonably fast computers, and this has sort of kept up speed, and it's been good enough. But maybe I don't know what I don't know. But recently I'm getting more and more video work, as is the way of a photographer now. You've got to take on video jobs. They just expect that of you, and I'm interested in video. I'm really psyched on it. But the files are much larger to shift around. I'm using Premiere and DaVinci Resolve to do my editing, and these ones apparently are 10 times faster than this hard drive. So my workflow from now on is going to be this little 2 terabyte hard drive, and I'm just going to be using this as my working hard drive. So whatever projects I've got going, whatever video projects I've got going, whatever still projects I've got going will be loaded onto this 2 terabyte hard drive. I process them, do all the heavy lifting, and then I shift off that information, the finished job and the raws, over to my big tower backup drive, which is just under the camera here. And that'll store my information. I will then clear this hard drive ready for the next job. That's the way I'm going to work forward. I'll give you some updates on how that goes. Whether this little puppy is going to be 10 times faster or not, it remains to be seen. I very much doubt it. But even if it saves me, a second per edit, that's going to add up throughout the day, and I can get through my workload a lot quicker. So I'm going to give it a go, and I can report back in future videos on how well it goes. But the purpose of this video is for anyone that has got one of these, or any hard drive for that matter. I'm going to show you how to format a hard drive for Mac so it's ready to go from the start. Just to note, the only time I really format any of my hard drives is when they are brand new, because formatting will clear all the information. So don't clear any older hard drives that you need the information on. So let's go over to the screen now, and I'll show you quickly how to get this formatted. Okay, so we are on our desktop. The T7 Shield new hard drive is here. I'm just going to go up to Search Disk Utility. And then this will all come up, and it normally defaults to the Macintosh hard drive. Make sure you do not format that, or you do not format one of your other drives. So I've got an April 25 hard drive in here. We want to be on the new T7 Shield hard drive. It's our 2 terabyte hard drive, and it's pretty easy. All we do then, once it's definitely selected, is we go up to Erase. And this is where we can type in our name. So I'm going to be calling this just working HD. So this is where it is interesting. Normally I go APPT, but this one only gives the option of macOS Extended Journal. So we're going to go macOS Extended Journal for me, because I'm on a Mac, and that works reasonably well, has for years. We push Erase, we make sure we're definitely on this hard drive. And now that will only take a few seconds to sort itself out, and it will be renamed, and now it's ready to start saving your information, your photos, your videos onto there. And we'll go back to the hard drive, and you can see that it's my working HD now. So I know that's my 2 terabyte working HD. So that is how we get it formatted. That's the reason why I'm using it. Love to know your thoughts on using SSDs over regular hard drives. If you found a difference in the speed, I'll be interested to know your thoughts, and I'll be interested to see what I find moving forward with video and stills. Maybe my stills will be quicker. I've got a job tomorrow, but I'll be working on for about 6 to 8 hours. So hopefully with this new SSD, might only take me 5 or 6 hours. We'll soon see, and we'll see you in the next video.